So, I live in Miami, and while driving around my relatively local area, I keep finding or driving past a quite interesting feature. So today, I'm gonna go take the drone, and we're gonna shoot some video of this thing. It's Miami, which means it's 90 degrees, if you can see that, and which means windows down. So let's go for a ride. Technically, I live in Coral Gables, but only just. I live up by Calle Ocho, on the northeast corner of what is technically Coral Gables. So, it's a nice part of town, but it's not near the beach. So the name of this road is Alhambra, and I take it to bypass US Highway 1, the Dixie Highway, and all of the friggin' traffic that goes that way. So if I go this way, I can connect out to the western part of the city a lot faster than I normally would. And just look at this drive. It's so pretty. Beautiful. So anyway, so here I am. I'm using this way to get anywhere. Ooh, they actually use their blinker. That's rare here in Miami. And as I'm driving, I see the structure up ahead. What in the world is that thing? And I drive past and it looks really interesting. And here it is. Look at that. Let's go take a look.